Datsun 1200. So passenger side is probably the worst part. Just need to make up a new plate to replace that. It's all bogged up and not very good, so I'm just going to redo it. Other than that, there's no other rust in it, except for the tailgate. Tailgate and just a few little bubbles right here and there. And it's just, it'll look good when it's done. The back rust isn't as bad as I thought it would be. Like, it's bad, but it's all fixable. Just need to make up a new plate to go over this, and then that'll be all fixed. There's a little bit of rust in here. It's not too bad, it's just a few little holes that need to be patched up. We'll go around to the front. So this is all sweet, like this has been patched before. Just need to tidy it all up and make sure it's all looking good. Along with those patches in there. Just gonna make sure they look perfect.